talking
that
about
is
the
the one
pure,
we feel.
pure unconditional love. You're talking about
Yeah.
that we have to go
And when
beyond.
you hear that, you feel that.
I see.
In fact, one of the small video they had, she's playing the flute, and the flute changes to Krishna is playing the flute, and it's so amazing the way they did the transition between her and the tune is the same, but they play from one to another, you know. So it's really
Yeah, I've watched the whole series and I'm still watching it. And it has a double meaning, like you're saying. There are a lot of worldly stories and all that, but underneath it, it's a pure love
yeah,
story.
right.
Yeah, that's how it
But
is.
they have done it very beautifully because they have kept the
Who is the director? Who is the one?
oneness of the Christian.
I don't know who the director
Universalness of
is. Yeah, but the people who played this Radha and Krishna, they look so amazing. And I think what they said was that they copied this Hare Krishna में जो मूर्ति होती है ना, उसका जो personification किया उन्होंने उनके मतलब श्रृंगार में.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. I never felt like that before. I mean, I watched so many things, but this was done probably very timely because one of the chapter of mine is Krishna and love, so I added that in there. Anyway, so
Okay, I think that मेरा time हो गया unfortunately. तो
आपका शॉर्ट लगना है दूसरा.
हाँ हाँ.
अच्छा, गुड लक.
Thank
उसके
you.
बाद तो 2 दिन गड़बड़ होगी.
Yeah, I'll see क्या होता है. पहले मैं मेरे को
What you should do, no? What I did yesterday was I was just moving my arm when I was waiting for the 15 minutes.
I see.
तो उसमें पेन नहीं होगा.
मुझे पहले वाले में काफी कम रिएक्शन हुआ है, तो अभी
पहले में बहुत कम होता है.
अच्छा सेकंड में ज्यादा होता है.
You may not have any reaction.
Yeah, I didn't have any reaction. So that's everybody doesn't get.
But anyway, the next class is after 1 week.
Guys, bye.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Hari Om.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
चल झूठी.
Let's have a party.
It's not yours. चल झूठी.
But मीरा बनाओ क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उनको केक स्नेह को और कमला को केक खिला रहे हो, मुझे भी खिला दो.
वो तो अकेले थोड़ी ना खाएंगे, सब मिलकर ही खाएंगे.
हाँ, तो स्नेह अपना केक काटो, हमें आधा दे दो.
एनी टाइम. देखो कमला ने तो हलवा बनाया है.
Oh, how
Oh
lovely.
wow, it's too bad that we are.
Much. I don't believe in cake much white flour, so I made halwa this morning.
ठीक है, हम सारे
हलवा खाओ, मजे बर्थडे मनाओ. मेरी
I
ग्रैंडमदर तो केक भी
I
आटे
wish
से
we were
बनाती है.
meeting in person. तो जरूर हलवा खाते आज.
नहीं हलवे के लिए we can do drive by हलवा.
Neelu ji always has a very good idea.
Yes, most welcome. अभी देखिए मैं दिखाती हूँ मैंने कितना घी बनाया है. Look at this. Can I show you?
हाँ show it. That's
हाँ
fine.
दिखाओ please. We
Oh
want
my
to see.
God.
Oh.
What?
Wow.
दुकान खोलनी है क्या कमला जी?
all this I did today.
ये घी किस लिए बनाया है इतना सारा?
हलवे में डालने के लिए.
बहू को खिलाएगी ना, बहू को खिलाऊंगी. और मैं सारी कुकिंग घी में ही करती हूँ. हमारे घर में सिर्फ घी यूज होता है. We don't use any oil except frying.
You know, I have started using ghee for 1 year for all my cooking. And मेरे टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स जो आए हैं ब्लड के, वो डॉक्टर कहता है कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ गया है तुम्हारा. But I don't know if it is because of ghee. Seriously, I mean that. I just want.
अच्छा रिमेम्बर मीरा जी मैंने क्या बोला कि जब आहार का होता है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी बैलेंस्ड. डोंट ओवरडू एनीथिंग फॉर गॉड सेक. इवन जैसे कि इवन पंजाब में लेके मेरा जब
मात्रा कम डालो बस.
या सी हम लोग की एक्टिविटी कम है ना. सुनो, अगर जो एक इंसान खेत में काम करता है पूरा सुबह से शाम फिजिकल, वो पचा लेगा उसको इतना बड़ा सारा घी दोगे तो. घी इज वेरी गुड. ओके, डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड मी. इनफैक्ट माई हस्बैंड विल टेल यू टू. घी का पूरा एक लेक्चर दे देंगे वो, कितना उसमें मतलब तेरा ब्रेन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है उसमें. So ghee is a very important thing, but remember, listen to your body, look at your activity, according to that you have. So if you are overdoing on ghee, you can definitely make it less. Don't completely reject it, don't overdo it. And
The
if
main thing is increase your activity. That's the key to good health.
and even Kamlaji, you keep saying increase the activity. Some people have the opposite problem. They won't sit down. To them we cannot say that. So आप जो बोलते हो वो भी एक बहुत बैलेंस रूप में लेना पड़ेगा. आप किससे बात कर रहे हो उसको पूछो. अगर वो उसकी he is a very dull person, you know, कोई बहुत ही तामसिक होके बैठा हो कि भाई उठ ही नहीं रहा है बेड से, उसको बोलो एक्टिविटी करने को. फिर जब बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी हो जाती, नो यू सिट डाउन एंड मेडिटेट नाउ, इनफ फॉर रनिंग अराउंड यू डिड. सो देन तामसिक में सात्विक में जाओ, सॉरी तामसिक से राजसिक में, राजसिक से सात्विक में.
That's why our rishis emphasized that get up in the morning, do your adhyatma first thing in the morning, so that whole day your activities are guided by that positive energy. Whatever you do, then it becomes karam yoga for you. So that adhyatmic yoga is very, very important. That meditation is very important in the morning. In all our shastras, it has been emphasized that do that in the morning and then be busy all day. But then your intellect will be guided towards that positive thing of life. Nobody can be as busy as I am. But
Kamla ji, you want me to tell you the truth? I have not met one person in America who says I'm not busy. You know?
yeah,
So
I
we cannot, and you know, like everybody has 24 hours in their life,
know.
and then everybody fills it up with what they want to do. But
Yeah.
one of the problem is, so हम लोग को ये वहम हो जाता है कि मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा busy हूँ. No, everybody has the same thing, but they fill it up with different things. You know?
yeah,
That's a way of thinking that we have to develop, that hey, you know, what am I want to do with my 24 hours? Some people like too much, and if you are very, very active like in America, that is a problem that the new generation has. They cannot wind down because they may not be doing physical, but whole time their mind is engaged in 5 different activities on the phone.
yeah.
So then they need to learn that not to give up that and just maybe just go sit down somewhere under a tree or something for 15-20 minutes. It becomes imperative for them not to run around with this their own physical run around नहीं है, if you think about it. Mind से run around कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
और एक ज़माना था जब हम लोग physically run around करते थे बहुत. You know? In fact, when I joined the Chinmaya mission, that's what our teacher said. Whole time, you know, one pole से दूसरे pole पे भाग रहे हो काय के लिए? You know? So sit down a little bit. So these whatever statements we make, we cannot make general statements because it depends on where you are in your life, what kind of balance you have to create in yourself. You know?
I agree with Uma that you should try to do nothing. And when you don't do anything, the universe will drive you what you are supposed to do. And that is the right thing for you. And which is not same as for the other person.
And that's why you sit in the morning. That's why you sit in the morning, do nothing. Just
Morning I'm sleeping.
See, मैं बात बताऊं, ये मॉर्निंग की जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, मेरी जो आचार्य थी ना, she was very practical also. तो she said कि I know शास्त्र में बोलते हैं कि भाई सुबह मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए. समझो कोई एक हाउस वाइफ है, उसको 20 काम है सुबह. And she just cannot sit in the morning because she has 20 different duties. Everybody depending on her. It's perfectly all right to do it at night before you go to sleep. Okay?
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, exactly. So then there is no like, and if suppose middle of the day you get the time. Some people are working and okay, I have 1 hour of lunch, and out of that 1 hour I'm going to take 15 minutes out. So you in Bhagavad Gita also the practicality is there. You know, ये नहीं है कि भाई you must do this or you must do that. No. Look at your own life. Find a half an hour to sit down somewhere and do it. For me, the best time is when I go on the beach. When my husband wants to walk, I go sit down. on the sand. And that is like
Also-
4:35.
Also, when you are doing nothing, time is irrelevant. In other words, 24 hours you have the same time. So it is not like it is morning or 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And really works, I'm telling you. But when your time comes, you'll be able to do that. So anyway, then I had a couple of more things I wanted to talk.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So one is I finished my book.
Oh, congratulations. Wow.
Now it's ready. So I'm now going to go to the next stage of editing. The third thing is,
You did fast.
no, not fast. It was almost there. It's just Hindi I was doing.
When did it finish, Joe?
I finished yesterday. I gave it for a review to somebody.
Yesterday.
Pointed out, yeah. And
Oh.
they pointed out that these things you have to rearrange. So I ended up rearranging that. And I used this Grammarly program to find all the errors I had. So it's kind of done.
So I want to tell you one interesting thing, Joe. Remember, I was working on the translation for over a year, 13, 14 months ho gaya usko. My part got finished yesterday also.
Oh, great. great.
So that is some.
So maybe
and Darshana Ben, said, oh, she was very happy that I said, Purna Huti hui meri. The other people are still working on it. But,
doing good to us.
huh?
And also, one more thing. Last week, remember I had told you some time ago, I've been watching this Radha Krishna music I'm listening.
Yes.
This program on TV called Radha Krishna. So there's a dialogue between Radha and Krishna. And I was really having an experience with that. And that experience reached the peak last week when I actually got lost. It was not the Radha part, but the Krishna part, it was only one part. And I don't know how to explain that because you can only feel it, you cannot tell it about it. Like initially I had the Radha part, then I had the both part. And they both
Interesting.
go together actually. So, and it's all in the music. And
Very
that's
nice.
wonderful.
The link of this Radha Krishna thing.
It is. Are you talking about the one that is like that they are showing them as young? The Radha Krishna करके नाम है उसका.
This is on YouTube. You told me that there's a program which they are doing every week. They do.
Yeah, they're doing it on Hotstar पे आता है वो.
Yeah,
It's called Radha
so-
Krishna. अभी भी चल रहा है. Yeah.
But the music is so good. And
अब लिंक भेज देना
हाँ,
YouTube का.
YouTube पे जाओ ना Radha Krishna.
बस वही लिखना है. Okay.
Then you will see it. But you have to feel the music. It's so amazing and the words are so good. And because it's Viray involved in that, which I think started long time ago with my other thing I watched, which was the Bandis Bandit. Remember there was a Viray thing?
It was a nice one episode here.
Yeah, there's a music Viray song, And,
So,
and
Joe, there are a lot of them. There are a lot of YouTube videos on Radha Krishna.
oh yeah, right. So you have to find the right.
I think they all are looking for the one you liked.
when Krishna is going
लिंक भेज देना जो. एक लिंक भेजना then we can watch it.
when Krishna is going to Mathura and Radha is sad, and she said, I'm going to miss you. And he's saying that you are not going to miss me because I am within you. And also, they are beautiful words,
Yeah.
I saw one episode which I'm going to send you all. They're saying actually Radha and Krishna actually married. When Krishna and then Brahma ji ne unki shaadi karai thi.
Right. Oh.
There's a Banki or some
marriage
garden is there in Vrindavan. And बोले उसी garden में आप जा सकते हो only if you were present at that time 5,000 years ago, and only those people can go to that garden, it seems. So I'm going to send you all that video. जैसे वो actually Brahma ji
we have made lot of stories, but really what they are talking about is not the physical world. It is the spiritual love world.
Yeah. That's,
Like love is everywhere we say, and that's why I was asking the question, what is love? And everybody explained. But these were dutiful love you were talking about, nothing to do with the love.
you're talking
So
about the
that is the one you
pure unconditional love you're talking about. That we have to go beyond.
When you hear that, you feel that.
I see.
In fact, one of the small video they had, she's playing the flute, and the flute changes to Krishna is playing the flute. And it's so amazing the way they did the transition between her and the tune is the same, but they play from one to another, you know. So it's really,
Yeah, I watched the whole series and I'm still watching it. And it has a double meaning, like you're saying. There are a lot of worldly stories and all that, but underneath it, it's a pure love
Yeah,
story.
right.
Yeah, that's how it
but
is.
they have done it very beautifully because they have kept the
Who is the director? Who is the one?
oneness of the Christian.
I don't know who the director
Universalness
is.
of
Yeah, but the people who played this Radha and Krishna, they look so amazing. And I think what they said was that they copied this Hare Krishna में जो मूर्ति होती है ना, उसका जो personification किया उन्होंने उनके मतलब श्रृंगार में.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. I never felt like that before. I mean, I watched so many things, but this was done probably very timely because one of the chapter of mine is Krishna and love, so I added that in there. Anyway, so
Okay, I think that मेरा time हो गया unfortunately. तो
आपका शॉर्ट लगना है दूसरा.
हाँ.
अच्छा, गुड लक.
Thank
उसके
you.
बाद तो 2 दिन गड़बड़ होगी.
Yeah, I'll see क्या होता है. पहले में मेरे को
What you should do, no? What I did yesterday was I was just moving my arm when I was waiting for the 15 minutes.
I see.
तो उसमें पेन नहीं होगा.
मुझे पहले वाले में काफी कम रिएक्शन हुआ है, तो अभी
पहले में बहुत कम होता है.
अच्छा सेकंड में ज्यादा होता है.
You may not have any reaction.
Yeah, I didn't have any reaction. So that's everybody doesn't.
But anyway, the next class is after 1 week.
Guys, bye.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Hari Om.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.